What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making 5 incredible soups from your leftovers. Get ready for next-level flavor explosions. Alright, first up, we've got the classic chicken and veggie soup. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is too basic. But trust me, there's magic in simplicity. You've got your leftover chicken from that roast last night? Perfect. Chop that up. Got some leftover mixed veggies? Even better. Throw that chicken and those veggies into a pot. Now, we're going to add 4 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of water. This is where the real magic happens. Season it up with some salt and pepper to your liking. And now, we wait. We're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes on medium heat, and boom! You've got yourself a soul-warming, flavor-packed chicken and veggie soup that'll make you forget all about takeout. Next up, we're kicking things up a notch with some beef and barley soup. This one's for those days when you're feeling a little fancy but still want that comforting, home-cooked meal. Remember that leftover beef roast? Yeah, that's going to be the star of the show here. Grab about a cup of that beef, shred it up, and toss it into your pot. Now, we're going to add 1 cup of barley, 4 cups of beef broth, and for an extra flavor boost, 1 cup of diced carrots and 1 cup of diced celery. This is going to be epic. We're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes on medium heat, and you're going to have a soup so good it'll make you want to do a happy dance. Alright folks, let's turn up the heat. For all you spice lovers out there, this spicy black bean soup is going to be your new best friend. Got some leftover black beans from that taco night? Don't you dare throw those away. We're going to combine those leftover black beans with 1 cup of corn, 1 diced tomato, and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Now here's where the magic happens. Add a teaspoon of chili powder, or more if you like it extra spicy. Simmer this for about 25 minutes on medium heat, and get ready to have your taste buds blown away. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a good creamy potato soup? It's like a warm hug on a cold day. And guess what? We're going to make it even better by using up those leftover potatoes. Remember those mashed potatoes from last night's dinner? They're about to become the star of this creamy masterpiece. Add them to your pot with 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of chicken broth. To make it extra special, we're going to add half a cup of shredded cheese. Let this simmer for about 15 minutes on low heat, stirring occasionally, and get ready for a bowl of pure comfort food bliss. Last but not least, we've got a fresh and flavorful tomato basil soup that's going to rock your world. Got some leftover tomatoes? Don't let them go to waste. Toss those tomatoes into a blender and blend them up. Pour that goodness into your pot and add 2 cups of vegetable broth. To make it extra creamy, we're going to add half a cup of cream and a 1/4 cup of fresh basil for that amazing aroma. We're going to simmer this for about 20 minutes on medium heat, and you'll have a soup so fresh and flavorful, it'll transport you straight to Italy. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible soup recipes that prove leftovers can be even more delicious than the original meal. I'm talking next-level flavor explosions here, people. Make sure you try these recipes out. And hey, if you come up with any crazy leftover creations of your own, I want to hear about them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome food hacks, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!